It was a mission straight out of science fiction. A spacecraft would chase a speeding comet, travel over 6.4 billion kilometers, and land a tiny probe on its surface. This was the Rosetta mission, an audacious gamble that took humanity where no one had gone before. But success wasn't guaranteed. The journey spanned a decade, pushing the boundaries of technology, ingenuity, and courage. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping story of how we caught a comet and made history. Launched in 2004, Rosetta began its interstellar marathon. To reach its target, a comet racing through space at speeds of 135,000 kilometers per hour, it needed help. Using gravity from Earth and Mars, Rosetta gained the momentum to chase this cosmic wanderer. For 10 long years, it sailed through the void, powered by a daring vision. But why a comet? These icy relics are ancient time capsules, remnants from the birth of our solar system. Unlocking their secrets could tell us the story of Earth's origins and perhaps the origins of life itself. August 2014. The moment of truth. After 10 years, Rosetta approached Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko. What it found was breathtaking and terrifying. The comet was no ordinary ice ball. It was a rugged alien world, shaped like a rubber duck, with cliffs, craters, and jets of gas shooting into space. Navigating Rosetta around this chaotic terrain was like threading a needle at 55,000 kilometers per hour. Every maneuver risked disaster. But finally, the spacecraft locked into orbit, becoming the first to ever do so. The mission had reached its climax, landing the tiny Philae probe on this celestial rock. November 12, 2014. The world watched as the Philae lander detached from Rosetta and began its daring descent. With no atmosphere to slow it down, it had to rely on harpoons and ice screws to anchor itself to the comet's surface. But then, trouble. Philae hit the surface with a thud and bounced. Once. Twice. Finally, it came to rest. In a shadowy crevice. Communication was patchy. Solar panels were blocked. Time was running out. In just 57 hours, Philae sent back groundbreaking data, images of the surface, measurements of the comet's strange organic chemistry, and clues about its primordial ice. It was a short-lived triumph, but one that changed our understanding of the cosmos forever. What did we find? Philae's instruments detected complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Could comets like this have seeded Earth with the ingredients for life billions of years ago? And then there was the water. Scientists discovered that the comet's water had a unique isotopic signature, different from Earth's. This finding deepened the mystery of how our planet got its oceans. Rosetta didn't just study a comet, it peeled back layers of the solar system's ancient history. The Rosetta mission didn't end with Philae. For 2 more years, Rosetta orbited the comet, sending data until its own dramatic finale, a controlled crash onto 67P in 2016. Even in death, Rosetta delivered new insights, leaving a legacy of scientific triumph. This mission wasn't just about space exploration, it was about humanity's ability to dream big and achieve the impossible. A decade-long chase. A daring landing. And answers to some of the universe's greatest questions. This was our rendezvous with a comet, and it was nothing short of legendary. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. But missions like Rosetta remind us that no destination is too far, no challenge too great. As we look to the future, who knows what daring adventures await? Until then, the story of Rosetta and Philae will continue to inspire generations.